7 from exercise 6.1. 5 grams of an alloy contains 3/4 grams of copper and the rest is nickel. Find the ratio of weight of nickel to copper. Now just extra information, alloy is a mixture of 2 or more metals. They mix 2 or more metals. Now if you see nickel and copper on periodic table, they are almost close to each other. One is 28, the other one is 29. So they can easily mix in liquid as well as solid state. Now why we make alloy is because when we mix alloy, the material which we get, that is the alloy after mixing copper and nickel, is stronger, harder, it is also less malleable, less ductile, and very important, it is more corrosion resistance. So that these are the properties of alloy. So let's keep this apart and let's come to our problem to find the ratio of nickel to copper. Now they are saying the total alloy is, we'll write this in 3 parts, total alloy, then they have already given copper Cu, and we have to find nickel, then only we can find nickel to copper ratio. Total alloy is 5 grams. The alloy which is there, copper contained in the alloy is 3/3/4, this is in question mark. Now let's find how much is this. To find this, we'll subtract total alloy minus copper, that is 5 minus 3 upon 4, which is equal to 5 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4. Correct? 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15. Now we have already learned in chapter fractions how to subtract unlike fractions. So the simplest way we can go is for doing cross multiplication. So 4 into 5, so we write 4 into 5 minus 1 into 15 upon 1 into 4. So what you get here is 4 5s are 20 minus 15, yeah, 20 minus 15 upon 4. 20 minus 15 is 5/4. Okay, correct? Now let's find the ratio. So this is your nickel, 5/4. Now let's find the ratio. 3/4 is to 3/4, and we have 5/4. This is copper, this is nickel, but the question says nickel to copper, so you take nickel first and then take the other side copper. So 5/4 is to 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 upon 4. We have already solved problems with fractions, how to find ratio of fractions. It is nothing but a plain division. So it is 5/4 divided by 15/4, or you can write this as 5/4 divided by any point. Okay, so you can write this as 5/4 divided by 15/4. So this will become 5/4 multiply by 4/15. So if you cancel, you get 4 cancel, 5 ones are 5 these are, so answer is 1/3, or the ratio is 1:3. Okay.